Hey my beautiful teammates, so in today's video we are going to be achieving a out of this world look using the new Juvia's Place Afro Galactic collection. So this is what the new collection looks like, and girl, it's to die for. I'm literally gagging. I am obsessed with this presentation. So their palette looks like this. It has a wide variety of colors, and you know it's only right that I swatch a few for you guys. Look at the pigment. I mean, Juvia's Place never really gave us any issues with pigmentation, so I just had to check it for you guys. So they also have some glitter liners, and when I say girl, so the shades that they have Metaverse, Unique, Stargirl, and Venus. Amazing. So if you're ready to see how we achieve this beautiful look, let's get into it. So you guys know I like to start with skin prep. First thing I'm gonna do is wipe down my face with the pore perfecting toner that I got from CVS, and I do have an updated eyebrow tutorial, so if you guys want to see that, go ahead and comment that down below. Right now what we're doing here is I'm just taking my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm using that as a base for my eyeshadow. Just blending this out, making sure everything is nice and smooth. Funny thing is I had to go to the dollar store to get a little sticker book because I needed some stars. I just needed this look to be nothing like I ever have done before, and that's exactly what it did. So I'm just popping 2 stars in my eyes, and now we're gonna get straight into the eyeshadow look. So the first shade I'm taking is this purple shade, and it's called Discovery, and this is a glitter shade. Very pigmented. Like you guys know, we're not lacking in the pigment, and I'm just popping this on my crease, just popping it on. This is just gonna give a nice, just deep purple tone. Next up, I'm gonna take this pink shade, and it's called Light, and I'm just gonna put that right above the purple shade just for a nice gradient blend. And then in front, I'm gonna take this orange shade, and this shade is called Galaxy. So we're just gonna take Galaxy, and we're just gonna blend this right into the front of our eyeshadow look, so everything just looks just beautiful and flowy. Okay, next up, I'm gonna take this dark gray glitter, and it's called Horizon. We're gonna put this right on our lid, pack it on with the fluffy flat brush, and then after that we're gonna take Alien, because you know this is giving Beyonce Renaissance, my girl. But we're gonna go ahead and take Alien and put that right in the front of our lid. So this is what we're looking like. This look was pretty simple, okay? It does get a little challenging with the liners, but it's not too bad. I took off the stickers, and I'm gonna go ahead I believe I used Metaverse, not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of define this star. This part was a little bit challenging, and I think it's because my stars were rounded and they weren't like the sharp edge stars, so that's the only thing. But besides that, you know, the look, it's still 8. I do want to redo it to get more cleaner lines. Did go ahead and take my Juvia's Place eyelashes. I will link down below which one I used. So there was a little fallout with the eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe off the excess eyeshadow that's on. And then we're gonna go ahead and moisturize my face with the Pond's moisturizer, just bringing some moisture back into the skin. And then we're gonna go ahead and prime with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. After that, I'm going to take my NARS foundation, pop that on my skin. This is not really too much about like the base, so I'm moving a little bit fast here, but you guys might want to know how I do my base as well. So after I blend out that foundation, I'm going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. Camo concealer, and we are just going to blend that out. I really just wanted to focus under my eyes, so I didn't really conceal my forehead, my bridge of my nose, or anything like that. But I'm just taking this brush that I got from Shein, and we're just going to blend her out until she is nice and smooth under my eye. Then with my Laura Mercier setting powder, I'm just going to set her down, making sure that my under eye is locked in. Any excess, I'm just gonna rub that all over my face. Well, pat that, not rub. I'm gonna pat it all over my face because I like to just have my whole face set with powder before I move in with any powders like this. So for my contour, I'm gonna use the Black Radiance contour palette, and we are just going to chisel the face, giving it very snatched, giving unique. And then here I'm gonna go ahead and just add the Juvia's Place blush palette, just, you know, bring some color back into the face, giving very much young. Then I just took a dark blue liner. You can't really tell, it kind of looks black on camera, but I just took a dark blue liner. And then after the dark blue liner, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out with the same shades that I use. So I'm using the purple shade, which is Discovery, the pink shade, which was Light, and the orange shade, which was Galaxy, right under my lash line. Then I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place Luxe lip liner. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips, you know what I'm saying, get some juicy lips. Then with my Team Stacie Cosmetics, I'm gonna launch this shade soon. So I have a nude shade coming and a pink shade coming. We're gonna go ahead and just put like a little pinkish nude on my lip, and then we're just gonna spray my face down. And to top off my lip, I did go ahead and put the lip oil from Juvia's Place as well. This is the watermelon one. This look is out of this world. I am obsessed with this palette. If you guys watch my channel, you guys would know I do a lot of natural glams, but I was just so obsessed with this palette, and I just feel like I had to just get out my comfort zone. The looks you can create with this is endless. So if you guys want to see me create another out of this world look, go ahead and comment that down below, because this just made makeup fun all over again for me. If you made it this far in today's video, go ahead and comment down below this emoji. This is our secret emoji, and this is how I know you watch my videos all the way through. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and just do it like Nike if you're not a part of the team already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I just can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.